If for any reason you start a recording, and let's say that you are in front of a window and you got the reflection of your front screen and the blinking recording light of your GoPro, well, be assured that this can be disabled. For this, we will take a look on the other side. We will swipe down from the top of the window to the bottom, and we will go into that option just right here. This one, this is the front screen. You can just disable it. So if we take a look at it just right now, there's nothing over here. That's great. There's still remaining the LED. We will swipe to that window and we will go inside Preference. We will go into General and we will swipe down to LEDs. From here you can have all on, all off, or front off only. Front off only. Hit like that, swipe down to get that arrow to go back again, swipe up to go out of the menu, and now if I start a recording, you can see it is recording just right now. We still have that blinking red LED just right here, but in front we don't have anything. So that was the way to go.